often do you use the updates function on LinkedIn? Most people I ask say seldom or even never. And the reason they don't is because they don't have a clue why it matters. Here's the deal. Every time you issue an update, everyone you're connected to can see it in their LinkedIn homepage. So in essence, it's a way to stay in front of your prospects and customers. But you have to be smart about it and focus on what matters to them. Seriously, don't pitch your products or sell your services or use any form of hyperbole. The best thing you can do is to share helpful information. If you read an interesting article, mention it and provide a link so others can read it too. In fact, you should always be on the lookout for content you can share with others. For example, you can let them know about upcoming events and webinars. You can also leverage LinkedIn updates to pique curiosity. For example, you might write, "Check out how XYZ company cut their time to market by 14%, and then link to a case study on your website. And you can be human too. Share what you're doing from a business context. You might say, "Excited to be starting a new project with Big Deal Systems," or "Heading to New York City to meet with large tech firm about upcoming product launch." When you use LinkedIn updates this way, not only do you increase your visibility, but you also demonstrate that you're a credible resource who's worth meeting.